Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build Marvel characters in Minecraft. First, choose your favorite hero and find a good reference image. Next, plan the overall size and shape, perhaps making it 20 to 30 blocks tall. Then, select various blocks like wool, concrete, and terracotta to capture their unique textures and colors. This foundational step is crucial for a recognizable and impressive build. Now let's add some amazing details. For faces, use buttons or levers for eyes and trapdoors for mouths. Stairs and slabs are perfect for crafting rounded shoulders or flowing capes, giving a more organic feel. You can even use redstone lamps for Iron Man's arc reactor or glowing eyes. Don't forget to pose your character with armor stands for a dynamic look. Ready for advanced techniques. Command blocks can bring your character to life, perhaps giving Thor a lightning strike effect. Consider creating custom resource packs for unique textures not found in vanilla Minecraft. Building a small scene, like a city street or battleground, around your hero adds incredible context. Team up with friends for even grander, more complex builds. Once your Marvel masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it. Post pictures or videos on Minecraft forums and social media. Join building contests to test your skills against others and get valuable feedback. Observing how other builders approach their projects can inspire new ideas and techniques. Remember, consistent practice is key to becoming a master Minecraft builder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.